Hello everyone, welcome to week 12 for BCOM 3113. Sorry for the late update on this video. Just like you guys, I am struggling to keep up at this point of the semester. So let's look at what we have to accomplish this week. One thing I have added today that I want everybody to be aware of is that I added an extra credit assignment that was not previously there on Sunday. So please be aware that you have to, if you want to earn that extra credit, you're able to do that. It says that it's just a regular assignment, but the points that are part of this assignment are all extra credit. So for the Spear School CEO Day, we had John Smith come on campus, and he came and spoke to my face-to-face classes, and we were lucky enough to have ITLE there to videotape that. So I've got ITLE's video, and I also have the assignment sheet, and then I have this Dropbox folder which will be repaired shortly. The other elements, obviously, is we have our interview stream assignment. Again, if you follow the link on interview stream, if you've never used that before, it will ask you to create an account. Mine will log in automatically here because I have one. Once you have one, you'll look at this home screen. You'll go to click on conduct an interview, and then you'll also, after that, you'll take the pre-made interview. And what I have here is it's one that says it's a different course number, BCOM 3223, but we're going to do that. It's a mock interview for another BCOM class, but it's real general questions, which is really helpful. So if you've never done this before, it's a great resource that you should take advantage of. It videos you, which, believe me from personal experience, if you've never done that before, to see what you look like as you are answering questions, it can be kind of an eye-opening thing. So I want you to do this assignment as a way to close out our job package. After that, obviously, we're going to jump right into the next big assignment, which is how we're going to close out this semester. So this next big assignment is due on the Friday, not Sunday, the Friday of Dead Week. So this is the informal report assignment. Obviously, you can see you have a Chapter 11 reading assignment with lectures that goes into how to write different types of reports, which is obviously relevant to this. Is the big assignment that you're going to have due. That's due May the 4th, 11:59. I need that extra time. So the good news is, right, we don't have a final for this class, but you do have this huge report project that you've got to turn in. I've got a video here that I actually made last semester. I will try to update that, but just so you can see the different due dates. Content-wise, though, and the advice given in that video is great. So follow what it says there, and you should be just fine. As always, if you have questions, reach out to me with email. Take advantage of that CEO Day extra credit assignment and get to work.